Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rocket Pool step by step clearly. To register with Rocket Pool, begin by visiting the official Rocket Pool website. Once on the homepage, locate the Get Started or Join Now button. Click on this button to be directed to the registration page. Here, you will find an option to connect your Ethereum wallet. Choose your preferred wallet type from the available options. If you don't have a wallet yet, follow the provided links to set one up. After selecting your wallet, click on the Connect button. Follow the prompts from your wallet to authorize the connection. Once connected, you will need to provide your email address. Enter a secure password for your account. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Return to the Rocket Pool website to log in with your new credentials. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the instructions to complete this setup if required. After securing your account, navigate to the staking section. Review the available options for staking your Ethereum. Select the amount of Ethereum you wish to stake. Confirm your transaction and follow the wallet prompts to complete the process. After your transaction is confirmed, you will see your staked amount reflected in your account. Monitor your staking rewards in your dashboard as you participate in the network. Congratulations, you are now officially registered in staking with Rocket Pool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.